Hi guys, how can you create a ribbed glass effect in Photoshop like this? First, go to File New and create a new document with your preferred settings. Keep the background white and fit the canvas properly. Now select the rectangle tool and create a thin vertical rectangle line. Then go to the Layers panel and click Adjustment Layer Gradient Fill. Open the gradient preset, go to Basics, and choose the third gradient preset. Press OK. Now set the angle to 0 degrees. Make sure these options are enabled. Reverse dither. Align with layer. Then press OK. After that, press Ctrl+T to resize and adjust the rectangle line. Now select the gradient fill layer, right-click, and choose Duplicate Layer. Use the Move tool, then press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T to create multiple repeated copies. You can also hold Alt and drag to make more copies quickly. Now align all the rectangle lines evenly. After that, hold Shift and select all the line layers, then press Ctrl+G or simply drag to the file icon to create a group. Now, go to File Save As. Save this PSD file as glass ribbed. Press OK. Now open the original image where you want to apply the effect. Right-click the image layer, choose Duplicate Layer, and convert it into a smart object. Then go to Filter Gallery. Select Distort Glass. Under Texture, choose Load Texture and import the PSD file you just created, glassrib.psd. Now apply these settings: distortion 4, smoothness 1, scaling 50%, then press OK, and that's it. This is how you can create a ribbed glass effect in Photoshop, giving your image a realistic textured glass look.